In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly with Zoho CRM integration. We'll walk through using the official Zoho CRM extension for Calendly, so you can automatically sync your meetings and keep your CRM data up to date without any manual work. I'll go slowly and clearly, so feel free to follow along in your own Zoho account as I describe each step. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho CRM with an account that has permission to install marketplace extensions, usually an admin or someone with similar access. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look to the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is the setup area where you manage configuration and advanced options. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the setup page. On the setup page, find and select the section labeled Marketplace. This is where Zoho lets you browse and install official and third-party integrations. When the Marketplace opens, choose the option called All. This will show you the full list of available extensions rather than filtering by a specific category. Now, in the search bar within the Marketplace, type in Calendly for Zoho CRM. Make sure you select the official extension with that exact name, as that's the one designed to connect your Calendly scheduling with Zoho CRM records. Once you see it appear in the results, click on it to open the extension details. On the extension page, you'll see an Install button. Click Install, and Zoho CRM will walk you through the authorization process. You may be asked to confirm which users or profiles in your CRM should have access to this integration. After you've reviewed those options and you're comfortable with them, proceed and click Authorize. At this stage, you'll be prompted to sign into your Calendly account. Use your standard Calendly login credentials and follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zoho CRM permission to access your Calendly data. This is what allows your scheduled events, invitee information, and related details to sync into Zoho. Once you've successfully signed in and authorized Calendly, you'll be brought back to the Zoho CRM extension setup. Review the confirmation screen, and when everything looks correct, click Finish. This completes the installation and finalizes the connection between Calendly and Zoho CRM. After this, your Calendly events will begin syncing according to the extension's default settings, and your scheduling workflow will be much more streamlined inside Zoho CRM.